Get ready to join thousands already living their best online life with TalkTalk Full Fibre, the UK's most reliable, fastest broadband tech. Most broadband services are only part fibre, which means the fibre connection takes a detour through some old copper cables before it gets to you. But with Full Fibre, you get 100% fibre goodness, delivered straight to your door via a fibre connection box, often called an ONT, which might be white or black. The result? A rock-solid connection that easily handles everything your busy home throws at it. Your home is already full fibre ready, so there's no engineer visit needed. You can set up your new connection with zero fuss. For a super smooth start, make sure your fibre connection box is switched on before your activation date. First things first, let's get everything powered up. You'll need 2 available wall sockets near your fibre connection box. Take its power cable, plug it into the power port on the bottom of the box, and then into a wall socket. Make sure the wall socket is switched on. You'll know it's working when the power and PON lights on the fibre connection box turn solid green. To get started, download the TalkTalk app from the Apple or Google Play Store and make sure notifications are switched on so we can keep you updated on your order. Your new plan comes with our brilliant Wi-Fi hub, which will beam your full fibre connection around your home with serious oomph. You'll get a notification when it's on its way. Ready to get connected? We'll walk you through the key steps. And remember, your handy setup guide will have all the nitty-gritty details. Next, let's get your new Wi-Fi hub ready. For the best signal, you'll want to pop your Wi-Fi hub as close as possible to your fibre connection box. They work best when they're together, like 2 peas in a pod. Take your hub's power cable, plug it into the back of the hub and then into a wall socket. Now press the power button on the back of the hub. Now for the all-important connection. Take the Ethernet cable from your Wi-Fi hub box. Plug one end into the LAN 1 port on your fibre connection box and the other end into the red WAN port on the back of your Wi-Fi hub. Give your Wi-Fi hub a moment to make itself at home. You'll know it's ready for action when the light on the front turns solid white. If you've ordered one of our handy Wi-Fi boosters to extend your signal even further, now's the perfect time to plug it into an available wall socket. For the best possible performance, space them out around your home, away from your main Wi-Fi hub. If you've chosen digital voice with your full fibre plan, getting your phone ready is a doddle. Simply unplug your existing telephone cable from your old master socket and plug it straight into the green Phone 1 port on the back of your new Wi-Fi hub. That's it! And just like that, you're connected. Simply sit back, relax, and experience the difference with TalkTalk Full Fibre.